Welcome back to the Tech Space, and this is our 12th tutorial on JavaScript, and we're going to be going over the while loop. So in the last video we went over the for loop, now we're going over something called the while loop, which I again explained in tutorial 10, and we're going to go over the actual implementation of it in this video. So basically, as you can see, you're going to want to write while, set of parameters, and a body. So that's basically, what they call the syntax of a lot of JavaScript code, a lot of C++ code, is you write, some, thing, and it usually has parameters or empty parameters, and it always has, a body. So just remember that and keep that in mind. But the while loop basically is going to run this set of parameters. So if I have an init or a variable z is equal to 10, and then I say while 10 is less than 100, then run this set of code. So another thing I want to mention is it isn't like the for loop where you can have multiple things in here unless they're separated by something called logical operators, which we really haven't went over what yet. We'll go over after the next video. So for right now, we just have while z is less than 100, run this code. So it'll say basically document write, and we're just gonna say let's perform some like calculation, since we've just been writing out strings, or we can actually just create the string y z, whatever you want to name it. And we're just going to print that out on the screen while z is less than 100. And just like every other loop, we need an incrementer. So z plus equals 1, and that, and run our code. Save it. And here's our loop. So just like the for loop ran, we have this website, or this web page, and we printed out string yz, which was set to the text space string variable. And that just basically ran out, or printed out on the screen, until the while condition was no longer true. So we use this incrementer, and it's sort of just like the for loop, actually a little bit easier than the for loop. So it should be easy to understand. And that's how you use the while loop. And in the next video, we will go over the do while loop. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.